Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Redmi 13X. Open the settings and go into the battery, then current mode, from balanced, click battery saver. Now into the display settings, should be in here, and lower the screen brightness. I can do it because you won't see anything, and enable the automatic brightness. Then into the quick settings and disable everything that you're not currently using, so the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the flashlight. Scroll next, the hotspot, quick share, and everything that you're not currently using. You can always enable the airplane mode. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.